Hello and welcome to Dove Facts channel, where we explore the world of food, flavor, and fun. Today, we're diving into the favorite foods of none other than the iconic Taylor Swift. Join us as we uncover the delicious delights that make her taste buds sing and explore the potential health benefits behind her culinary choices. Cheesecake. First up, let's indulge in the creamy decadence of cheesecake. Taylor Swift's love for this dessert isn't just about its rich flavor. It's also packed with calcium and protein from the dairy ingredients. Remember, while treating yourself to a slice of cheesecake, moderation is key to keeping your indulgences balanced. Coffee. Next, we're sipping on some coffee, just like Taylor Swift. Beyond its comforting aroma and bold taste, coffee is brimming with antioxidants that can boost your health. So, whether you're enjoying a morning pick-me-up or a cozy evening cup, remember to savor it mindfully. Grilled cheese. Who can resist the irresistible allure of a grilled cheese sandwich? Taylor Swift certainly can't. This classic comfort food not only satisfies the taste buds but also provides a dose of protein and calcium. So, whip up a grilled cheese masterpiece and relish each gooey, crispy bite with loved ones. Cinnamon rolls. Last but not least, let's indulge in the sweet temptation of cinnamon rolls. Taylor Swift's fondness for these treats isn't just about their heavenly taste. Cinnamon itself boasts antioxidant properties. So, go ahead, indulge in a warm, cinnamon-infused delight, but remember to enjoy it in moderation. There you have it, folks. Remember, whether you're enjoying cheesecake, coffee, grilled cheese, or cinnamon rolls, balance is key. Treat yourself to these delicious delights occasionally, and savor each moment shared with loved ones. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. And as always, enjoy eating with your loved ones.